Hello guys. Let's check the market. You're started flying. Love it. And we are here to check the GER40. By the way, US30 was amazing for the scalp. This 94 euro, 2-in-1 loss. Amazing. Today I moved on stable place for a GER40 scalp. Let's share. Yeah, this is what I say. Amazing. Almost 1%. What was? So a minute 8. I don't know. Let's check the GER40. Why we are here? Okay. Let's say it. Very nice. Painting of your 30. Okay, GER40. So sideways. Here we are. Okay. We're open the market. Here open the market. It was a low, a high of first candle. It's interesting area. Sweep of low Asia. Sweep of high Asia. Yesterday high. Oh, it's very nice clear way here. What's going after so sideways, but things are not bad. We'll see how to close. For me personally, we're like here, like a potential buy. And let's look till news. Till I think about, we can sweep this price. 35 pips. Here, we enter 40 pips. It's not bad sign. It's not the bigger picture. Okay, news. FOMC was all night, a little push down US markets. Today, 12:30 Germany 5-year bubble action. And afternoon, don't forget US CPI. It's a high impact news. Red Book, new home sales, FOMC. We don't have it. Okay, it's the last candle before open. We will see how to push up. Okay, today I see for a lower volume. This is how we set the targets. I have same risk every day, just changing the take profit target, our profit target. It's a very interesting look here. And to break up, and I don't so like this speaks. Okay. Breaking our application. Let's check what we have. Do you see now? Or not? I think not. Don't bother. I show for you after live. And we got 240 pips runner and leaving the runner TP2. This is what close for me to yesterday. So 0.64%, 64 euro plus plus 34 something. As I think 98 or how much? 1%, guys. If you made on 10k, it's a 100. If you made a 20k, it's a 2000. So easy math, and just close the 50% of position. This is how we made. And I will try futures funded. I will let for you. What about? Okay, 50 seconds. When open, make a clear wick down after start to push up in a clear break up here. It's around 10 pips potential. But we will see how with a breakout. I sit now on the very stable couch, or I would say sofa. Nice, 15 seconds. Let's be zoomed. You see if it's here a potential buy or not. For the sell, don't like for me under this area. Higher like this area. Okay, we come down, pushing down. Let's to check how to retest. For me personally, till don't break down the full zone. You see where we traded yesterday. Forgot to delete. It's not so bad trade from here. It's a 20 pips. If you think, very nice. It's a possible take from here, but happening like yesterday on US 30. It's a fallen down and can't finish till end of the first candle. But was okay because we have a clear way. Something happened on the market, maybe new war or whatever. Here's a potential clear way, just 8 pips. But I prefer more. If again push down, break this level too, and after pull back and again push down, it's a so nice possible sell. This is how we made yesterday on US 30 our first 60 euro, 20 pips. Lewis here. We have 3 minutes and so crazy push in 2 minutes. Lewis outside. For me personally, got confirmation if we break this level and can continue after pulling back, and we can continue down. Look, yeah, this part. It's even better, like here up. Was a nice push, but for me it's not confirmed. But for me confirmed when we break this level. It can be a next candle. It's fully okay. Or this candle, we have a 2.5 minutes. But what I see, breakdown, pulling back, breakdown, pulling back. And this is what I said. This here clear way, Here is a struggling sideways. And you need check the bot like yesterday. Anyway, if I don't have a connection problem, here was a very nice sell. Here, this one, or the next one, or here the next one. But okay, this is life, guys. Okay, let's see how to push down. One thing, just it's a risky. It's a so big push down. With inside the candle, if we will have enough time to check if can break down after pulling back. What will be for us the best scenario? Because it's last 14 seconds and we don't close there. I don't take this candle. If you take a sell early here it's okay. Here 10-50 pips. If you take here it's just 80%, but pushing 32 pips, and we'll break before the first last minute. This is same like happened yesterday on US 30. But there it's a pulling back, and after that again pushing down, we take one sell, two sell. Let's start this. I can show if you wanna. Look, push it down. Here is a pull it back. We make let's say area, take a sell. Here open. It was a very nice make a wick up, start to push down. I just don't close 50 to 20 pips and pull it back. And after I wait, push up, pull back again. This is what we do. Okay, new candle. Very nice, pushing up, wick down, down, wick up, down. If make a flip and break the low, the previous candle, low same the candle, it's a nice wick fill, or wait the wick fill, and after go for a sell. It's two option because wick fill it's 6 pips. I prefer wait if we can break down the wick fill, because I see why stop there. On the both side, if we can't make a wick fill but can break again the high of the same candle, it's against trend, against the last candle, but it's a very nice. If we have a nice volume to break up this level, let's see which volume it's a better. This is why I said not so nice go for a weak fill, because it's a 5 pips down, 10 pips up. Okay, it's pushing up, pulling back. Let's look if can clearly break up and continue up, or rejecting, continue down and break the low of previous candle. This is the two confirmation. It's not just a lottery. If breakups can continue up when clear breakup, if rejecting and go down, can continue down after break the low of the previous candle. Because you see, it's a fully rejecting this price. What can happen? Break up and continue up, or rejecting, going fully down. And what I say happening, it's very nice. I love it. But rejecting this price, it's so interesting. It's a very interesting candle. And we have still 2 minutes. And looking to fully rejected this price, and now retesting this breakdown to weak fill. Let's look what we have. I don't know. It's a very interesting because can go down, can go up, and struggling between high and open, high open, high open, high open, and don't wanna break up, don't wanna break down. So believe and lost the connection. I'm breaking up in the last 1.5 minutes. But I don't take this break because 1.5 minute and not enough volume to continue up. I don't say when first break up we feel this 35 pips. No. When one break up, we'll continue up with the volume what we have, but it's so decreased. This is why I say when you today take 80% confirmation, it's okay because the main volume was from here to here, but it's not confirmed volume. It's 80% confirmation. If you will do 80% confirmation, you never will be have 70% success rate like my long term, and so sure never you will have 89 98% confirmation like my friend who trained 20 years and 5 years on iOS 30 tickscalping. Okay, new candle. With that done, when we break the high of previous candle, it's a nice opportunity for buy and the sell. Sure, just here. Okay, let's look if break down or not. Very nice, rejected the SR, but created a new candlestick. Now it's a S candle. If break down this level and continue the nice clear way, or rejecting and started the sideway. Because if this candle copy this candle like a sideway or a little break up, little break down, that was for today. This week we start me personally because Wi-Fi fall on every breakout. Yesterday, don't try the GER40 session. I was here. I explained the things, but don't enter. And after no free trades to win almost 1%. If you join with thinking, it's almost 100 euro, USD, Camembert, whatever. And if you have 200k income, you can make a 2k and a half k. Want something on your payout in a 10 minutes. Maybe your salary monthly, 2 monthly, 3 monthly. I don't know. You can watch me all around the world. I don't know where they make money. You're in the US and make nice money for you. 1k, 2k daily. Not bad, but not so good like for European peoples or third country peoples. Okay, still, if break up with a good volume, if you can pull back and nice push up without a pullback, it's a nice buy. If you can make same uh, down in the break, the London low, it's up. But pin it with a good volume and struggling in the middle. Look, this close here, this open here, is open here on SR and struggling in the middle. Okay, 1 minute 40 seconds. Oh my god, so that's I give you a minus look. This will be better. Just bring down again in the last minute something, and I don't believe the breakout in the last minute. 10 second, 1 minute and 10 second. But it's very good. Fruit Muslim on island. Love it. I just love it. You understand why I said I don't take last minute trade? Break down here. Maybe you take here at the end. And 10 50 pips pull it back. It's my stop out level. 50 pips stop loss. Around 0.75%. Sometimes less, sometimes more, based on volume. But I think I'll take to stop this faster. Okay, new candle. It's the last opportunity. When break down the last low of the previous candle, it can be a nice sell for a 5 to 10 pips. Not so rush, don't have a volume. But for me, it's a confirmation if continue down before breakup here. Okay, let's see. It's pushing down, pulling back, pushing down, pulling back. Let's check if rejected and continue the sideway. Here again around the middle. It's not a fully middle because here's a 13 pips and here's 10 pips at plus minus middle. It's here like now. 13 pips, 11 pips. It's very interesting. Changing the power when here start rejected, going down, break. How much is 1.5 pip after pull it back, but struggling up, down. Again, rejecting, pushing up. Very nice push in a no trade range. But we can't trade in a no trade range because it's no logic. Here when break up, it's a very nice 10 pips, around 5 to 10 pips. We normally break the high of this sideway. It must be clear. We are in 70 minutes, 80 from the open, and haven't pulled back like US30 have yesterday. The second candle was amazing push down into the sofa sell. It was not fast. It's okay, it's happened. This is why you need to know how much you risk. And after you watch fully flip up, pull it back, and again push it up. Wick down once, rubber effect inside the candle, and hit again the high of the same candle. Take a bite, 20 pips again. Okay, made up 40 pips profit, around 10 pips loss, and it was a nice 0.84%. If you made on a 100 USD account, yes, it's not a €1 account, yeah, €1 profit. But if you do the same on a 10K, it's a 100 time multiplier. Yes, you can. You need to pass the challenge, 10% or 10 plus 5%. But after you use 100 time multiplied balance in 80% leave and 20% share with that with the prop firm. It's a fully legal works. One girl here some days back asked if it's a legal trade. Oh my god! On Ireland, we're leaving most of the brokers. It's a funny question, but it's okay. It's okay because people listening whatever from the people who never trade in life have opinion about. But talking about the trading, like trading 3 years or 20 years, like me and my friend, our community members, guys looking fully, we lose the volume. One thing understand, no trades days, it's okay. If you have a connection problem, don't rush. If you're late with the trade, don't rush. Here, I don't rush 80% confirmations. And here, when we break this level, we lose the volume. We go down 5 pips or 15 pips down. Again, you struggle in no trade range. Again, we need the weight breakdown of new low inside the candle. And again, pull it back, push it down, pull it. This you don't want to trade because it can happen, yes, if you have a lucky. You click pulling back and after pushing down in the fast profit. But it can happen same. Pushing down, you enter on the low after pulling back, it's a fast stop loss. And this is the gambling when you don't know what do you do. Me personally made from end of the year some drawdowns last week on GER40. Others 30 main pluses. It's a plus minus will be equivalent soon. And this month target it's hit 6-7-8% from actual almost 4. What do you see? It's a fully sideways. Something like this happened now. Once will break down, or like here, and bam, break up. And if you wanna swing here with a low stop loss, bam. When on intraday and swing, you need to wait. E.g. Elliott waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and correction A, B, C, D. It's a lot that the time frame. Don't check now here waves, but in every waves you have a 5 inside waves. It's Elliott wave. I think most complicated strategy. This was easy. Here we go. Emma. It was open candle. It was very nice, by the way. This push take. After start of struggling, and here was a sell 10 pips. Okay, it's a candle, fifth candle. More candle, more on this way. It's a lower possible closing profit in a pips. Again, last minute in the look what I said after this candle. When this candle copy this range, some breakouts, mini breakouts, no new higher high, make new lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. If you wanna ask me what forming, bullish. It's a bullish formation. Because look, lower low, higher high. Here, start to sideways, lower low, lower high. I still looking going down. And again, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now it's a lower high. But if once break up into lower high, lower higher low, higher high can close. Yeah, don't close because it's the end of the candle. But if you start see the structure, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high. I'll show for you somewhere. Look here, higher low, higher high, higher low. Look same. Higher low, higher high. If you hear, so that was in night time, maybe it wasn't a nice volume, but example, free candle, higher low, higher high, or same high here. Here, and you went the week down, 2 pips. Where to go? And after 80% on the flip, will make week down. First stop out here, 6 pips. No, second stop out 8 pips. It's a night horse before closing the market. Don't check the whatever. But we can see from here where the close volume. Lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Make a week down, and after break the week fill, it's going 12 pips. Nice. After before closing, again retested this push. Okay, sideways. Again start to push. Again retested the high. Okay, now the sell momentum before close. It's not manipulated or whatever. It's a pure science. Look, higher low, higher high, lower high, high, higher, higher low. Again, higher high, higher low,